This is the AEQ QUB3D pod device kit. This is a convenient, durable and simple to use device. The AEQ QUB3D is a smoking and disposable alternative that lasts. The days of worrying about charge are over thanks to the QUB3D's massive 1400 mAh battery. That's 3 times the size of a typical pod device battery. The QUB3D holds a charge for days, and when it finally needs charged, you can always count on the QUB3D's USB-C fast charging. This device is exclusive to VPZ. The QUB3D delivers a seamless vaping experience in a simple package. Its auto draw sensor immerses you with its natural feel. Inside the box, we have the AEQ QUB3D device. It comes with a 2ml compatible pod, and you've got a charging cable to go with it. Also in the box is the user manual. To set this up, all you need to do is lift the tab on the side of the pod, fill this with your choice of e-liquid, remove the protective sticker and reinsert it into the battery. If you wait 5 minutes to allow the liquid to soak into the coil, it will then be ready to use. Charging port can be found on the bottom, just there. This device is suitable with 50/50 and high PG liquids and is available in all VPZ stores and online.